Craving a free Subway treat? Let's unlock the delicious world of Subway rewards and show you exactly how to redeem your points in the UK using the app. First, make sure you've downloaded the Subway app from your app store and signed up for a Subway rewards account. Each purchase you make at Subway earns you points, so keep scanning your app at the till. Now tap on the rewards or my rewards section of the app, usually found at the bottom. Here, you'll see your current point balance and a list of available rewards. Scroll through the list. These can include free sides, drinks, cookies, or even discounts on footlongs. The number of points needed for each reward is clearly displayed. Once you've found a reward you want, tap on it. You'll see a confirmation screen detailing the reward and the points it will cost. Review the details and, if you're happy, tap the redeem button. A QR code or a barcode will then appear on your screen. Show this QR code to the Subway staff at the till when you're placing your order. They'll scan it, and your points will be deducted, and the reward will be applied to your order. It's that easy. So, start racking up those points and enjoying free Subway goodies. Don't forget to check the app regularly for new rewards and special offers. Happy subbing!